In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your brand and audience on Squarespace. If you're ready to create a stunning online presence that draws in and engages your audience, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident in customizing your Squarespace site to fit your unique vision. First, we need to open the Squarespace website. Once there, navigate to your page. This is where all the magic begins. Squarespace offers a variety of options to customize your site, and this is your front row seat. Now, look for the Site Styles option. Go ahead and click on it. This is your doorway to personalizing every aspect of your page's design. In Site Styles, you can truly make your website reflect the essence of your brand. You'll see choices to select themes that offer a starting structure for your design. Take your time to explore these themes and select one that resonates with your brand's identity. Remember, a theme should not only look appealing, but also support your brand's goals and message. Next, you'll come across options for fonts. The typography of your site plays a critical role in communicating your brand's personality. Whether your brand is playful, sophisticated, or edgy, Squarespace offers a wealth of font choices to match your vibe. Choose a font that complements your brand and is easy to read. Colors are up next, and they are essential for establishing the mood and feel of your website. Squarespace allows you to tailor a color palette that aligns with your brand guidelines or personal preferences. It's advisable to keep your colors cohesive and not too overwhelming. A consistent color scheme can enhance your brand recognition and create a lasting visual impact. As you continue, you'll encounter buttons, forms, and other features. This is an opportunity to streamline how visitors interact with your site. Customize buttons to encourage clicks where you want them, and tailor forms to capture the information you need from your audience efficiently. Explore all the available features and integrate the ones that will enhance your website's functionality and drive user engagement. Once you've played around with these design aspects and are satisfied with how your page looks, don't forget to save your changes. This final step ensures that all your customizations are implemented and visible to your site visitors. And there you have it, your personalized journey through customizing your Squarespace site. By thoughtfully designing your pages, you'll craft a space that not only showcases your brand beautifully, but also captivates and grows your audience. Now take a deep breath and review your changes. Then, once everything looks perfect, get ready to share your stunning site with the world.